To gain meaningful access to the curriculum, students with reading difficulties must overcome barriers imposed by the printed material they are required to read. Developing technologies have allowed for students to overcome their struggles with printed text through switching to electronic text. The electronic text on its own is not beneficial to these students and is rather limited in its usefulness to the readers and learners. For students to fully take advantage of its potential as an assistive technology, the electronic reading environment must transform text into something that supports comprehension and extends meaningful learning. Read Out Loud is designed to help struggling readers learn research-based comprehension strategies and turn these strategies into habits through guided and independent practice. It allows below-grade level readers access to the general curriculum. 92% of students with IEPs are reading below proficient levels, and a solution to this problem is needed, but up until now it has been too costly providing reading assistance technology to every student with an IEP. Today, over 80% of students with specified learning disabilities can potentially benefit from some kind of alternate print format to access the general curriculum material. The features of this product include adding e-text. The program comes with pre-downloaded e-text documents, but additional text can be downloaded free of cost. Students may have up to 10 different e-texts at the same time within the Read Out Loud document or Word file. Browsing and capturing web pages. The program makes it easy for students to browse the web and with one click save the page in their document or Word file. All of their sources are located within a click of each other, so they can frequently reference each text. Supporting reading guides. The program includes a variety of templates reflecting scientific research comprehension strategies. These templates help students to practice metacognition, apply strategies, and guide reading for various purposes. E-highlighters allow students to capture important details as they are reading. Green, red, and yellow highlighters enable students to create hierarchies similar to an outline to be used to studying or organizing thoughts. Bibliographer instructs students step by step on how to create a bibliography by promoting them to enter one piece of information at a time and inserting the correct number of spaces and formatting the entry for them. Franklin Dictionary. If a student comes across an unfamiliar word, they can highlight it and select the Franklin Dictionary, which will display and speak the definition of virtually any word. The definitions are directed for students' age levels and designed to build their vocabulary. Text-to-speech offers the student a chance to have the text read to them, reinforcing the message as they read along. This feature also helps students to break their fluency barriers. The features this program has to offer are reinforced by 7 main categories of comprehension instruction. These strategies include the awareness of story structure, allows readers to ask and answer who, what, where, when, and why questions about the plot, and in some cases, map out the timeline, characters, and events in the story. Read Out Loud provides the story structure supporting reading guides, which assist the reader in identifying the main constructs and retaining them within the notes of the outline. This helps students to develop a fundamental understanding of text architecture and improves their understanding of retention of key ideas. Comprehension monitoring requires students to access their understanding during the reading and repair problems in their understanding as they rise. By adding information to their supported reading guides and organizing information to clarify their understanding and repair breakdowns in their comprehension, cognitive awareness is built. Read Out Loud places students' added information into graphic organizers, which enables the reader to visualize the key concepts and their relationship to each other, improving their ability to remember and give meaning to the text that they have read. Question answering instructional practices provide a framework by which readers answer questions posed by the teacher and make inferences about concepts in the text. This is the heart of knowledge retrieval and forms the basis for most classroom instructional practices. Students are given the ability to highlight information in the text as they read to help gain better understanding of important information. Question generation is a strategy whereby readers generate who, what, where, why, and how questions while reading the text. Readers use these questions to confirm or reject prior conceptions and create new understanding. Read Out Loud facilitates question generation by Cueing students with questions to help create mental connections with the text. Supporting students with supported reading guides such as KWL and KWRL, which prompt students to make text connections. And providing note-taking, highlighting, and organizational framework where students can generate, question, and test themselves against the text. When summarizing, readers identify and write the main or most important ideas that integrate or unite the other ideas or meanings of the text into a coherent whole. Students are guided to identify important concepts and supporting details as they read, and add them to their supported reading guides to create an informational outline. The purpose of multiple strategy instruction is to train readers to use a set of reading comprehension strategies at an appropriate time. Multiple strategy instruction facilitates comprehension as evidenced by performance on tasks that involve memory summarizing and identification of main ideas.